Designing a minimalist kitchen isn't just about keeping things simple. It's about finding the perfect balance between beauty, function, and atmosphere. Two materials that achieve this beautifully are wood and marble. When combined thoughtfully, they create a timeless interior that feels warm, elegant, and naturally sophisticated. Wood brings comfort and organic charm, while marble offers refinement and visual luxury. Together, they shape a kitchen that looks calm, modern, and effortlessly stylish. Below is a practical and inspiring guide on how to mix wood and marble in a minimalist kitchen while keeping the design clean, cohesive, and visually harmonious. Balancing warmth and sophistication. The key to blending wood and marble lies in harmony. Wood introduces warmth, texture, and character, especially in tones like oak, walnut, or ash. Meanwhile, marble adds smoothness, cool undertones, and a polished look that elevates the entire space. In a minimalist kitchen, neither material should dominate. Instead, they should complement each other. For example, wood cabinetry paired with a marble countertop creates a natural balance between softness and elegance. The result feels grounded but refined, cozy yet modern, the kind of atmosphere that remains appealing year after year. Choose a soft, neutral color palette. Minimalist interiors thrive on calm, neutral colors. When mixing wood and marble, choose tones that flow together naturally rather than compete for attention. Light wood shades, such as blonde, honey, or muted brown, pair beautifully with white or light gray marble. This combination brightens the space and makes it feel open, airy, and welcoming. If you prefer darker wood tones like walnut or teak, consider marble with subtle veining instead of bold patterns. The softer contrast prevents the kitchen from feeling heavy or busy, preserving the minimalist aesthetic. The goal is visual unity. Every element should feel like part of the same story. Use marble as a statement surface. In minimalist design, standout features should be meaningful, not excessive. Marble works best when used as a focal point, such as countertops or kitchen islands, backsplashes, waterfall edges, accent wall panels. Because marble already has natural veining and pattern, it brings visual interest without needing extra decoration. Placing it in areas that catch the light helps highlight its subtle elegance, while the surrounding wood creates warmth around it. This approach keeps the kitchen visually engaging but still clean, calm, and organized. Let wood create warmth through texture. Wood is not just a structural element, it's an essential source of comfort and character. In a minimalist kitchen, wood can be introduced through cabinet fronts and drawers, open shelving, ceiling or wall panels, dining bar or breakfast counter, furniture accents. Smooth finishes work best, as they maintain the sleek appearance associated with minimalism. Avoid overly detailed carvings or ornate hardware. Instead, choose flat panel doors and simple lines. Even when used sparingly, wood immediately softens the cool surface of marble and makes the kitchen feel welcoming and lived in. Keep the design clean and clutter-free. Minimalist interiors depend on clarity and order. When combining two strong materials like wood and marble, clutter becomes more noticeable, so it's important to maintain visual simplicity. Some helpful principles include: keep countertops free from unnecessary items. Store utensils and appliances inside cabinets. Use built-in storage wherever possible. Choose handleless cabinets or slim hardware. The fewer distractions in space, the more the beauty of the materials can stand out. Rather than filling the kitchen with decorations, allow the natural grain of the wood and the elegant lines of the marble to become the design's main visual features. Play with subtle contrast and layering. A successful minimalist kitchen isn't flat or monotonous. It has depth created through subtle contrasts. Combining smooth marble with textured wood introduces natural layering that feels organic rather than overwhelming. For example, a matte wood finish paired with polished marble. Light wood cabinets with slightly darker marble veins. A marble backsplash against warm wood shelving. These gentle contrasts create visual interest without breaking the minimalist tone. Everything still feels calm, cohesive, and intentionally arranged. Enhance the look with soft lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in how wood and marble appear in a space. Warm lighting highlights the richness of wood tones, while softer white light emphasizes the crisp elegance of marble. In a minimalist kitchen, consider layered lighting such as recessed ceiling lights for overall brightness, under-cabinet lights to accent marble counters, pendant lights above the island or dining bar. The goal is to create a cozy yet refined mood, bright enough for practicality, but soft enough to maintain a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. Add subtle finishing touches. Minimalist design leaves little room for excessive decoration, but a few carefully chosen details can complete the look. Consider small touches that harmonize with both materials, such as simple ceramic jars or glass containers, neutral tone bar stools with wood accents, a small potted plant for a natural touch. These elements add personality without disturbing the overall calm of the space. A style that stays beautiful over time. Trends may change, but the combination of wood and marble continues to feel timeless. It doesn't rely on bold colors, busy patterns, or complex ornaments. Instead, it relies on natural beauty and balanced design. That's what makes it so enduring. A minimalist kitchen designed with these materials doesn't just look stylish today. It remains elegant, comfortable, and relevant for years to come. Conclusion. Blending wood and marble in a minimalist kitchen is about creating harmony between warmth and refinement. Wood offers comfort and natural character, while marble brings a touch of elegance that elevates the entire interior. When balanced thoughtfully, through color, texture, proportion, and lighting, they form a kitchen that feels calm, modern, and timeless.